Hello guys and welcome to my channel, and today we are back with another video on how you can make money online. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. As you guys see, today's video is about how to make money online as usual, and all what you have to do is go to this website, gigs.com, sproutgigs.com. And then I'm just gonna put a link down below so you can visit that website. Okay, and here, as you can see, where the world works, an online marketplace that connects freelancers and businesses owners around the world with easy to do, affordable tasks. So this is how basically we're gonna make money. Let's scroll down. As you can see, hire freelancers in 250 different countries and territories. So I'm pretty sure wherever you're from, you will easily make money from this website. Okay. Here, browse gig categories. So basically, you got categories. For example, if you're photo or video basically editor or photographer or something like that, you will basically just choose the categories that fit on you and then just earn money from that. As you can see, there is digital marketing, digital writing, graphic design, and as you can see guys, there's 1,096 proposals. So I'm pretty sure you will, like 1,000%, you will start making money for, like, just from the second you open an account on this website. And here you got the photo and video, mobile apps, SEO, and what's cool about this stuff too is that you download games and then you earn money, or you like sign up to some random websites and then earn money, which is pretty easy. I'm going to show you that later when we get to the website. Here, one marketplace, multiple ways to get work done. Here you can switch to the freelancer. I'm going to show you that later. Okay, set, filter, and target your ideal freelancer. I'm going to show you that later too. Here, overview, workers earn budget for their successful experience on the platform. Our level system allows businesses owners to choose the level of specialist they would like to work with. So this is a pretty professional way to find the perfect worker. Let's scroll down here. All right, and here you got the influencer marketing. Find an influencers in a targeted product niche or your local area and get them to promote your businesses to their audience. Hire freelancers who have the attention of your target audience today. You can post that here on sproutgigs.com, and pretty much what you're offering is that you will put their product or anything they want you to put as soon as it's legal. Basically you're just gonna like boost their traffic or something like that by using your audience. And this is pretty much how this influencer marketing works. We're gonna scroll down here. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Hire top level freelancers at affordable costs. Post jobs, find your perfect match, and get the work done. Okay. Okay. And here, by the way, guys, we're gonna explain that in another video on the referral fee. Okay, this is pretty much a good idea too to earn more money or extra bucks for you. I mean, that's kind of cool. And this is the frequently asked questions if you guys wondering. So this is pretty much about the sproutgigs.com. okay, and now let's open an account on this website and then see what's going on. After you log on to the website, this is pretty much how the website look like. As you can see, just make sure when you enter the website, you're probably gonna find it like this. Okay, so all you have to do, change it from buyer to freelancer. So right now we want to make money, we don't want to buy stuff. Okay, as you can see, I've worked on this website literally like a couple of minutes ago, and this is how much I earned in like 2 tasks or 1 task. That's pretty much 3 cents, but that was like just subscribing to somebody, earning money basically. So what we're gonna do to make money, simply just go to the share and earn here, and then copy this link. And this is one of the good ways to earn money, by just using it as a referral. Basically, when somebody enter the website through your link, you're just gonna get 5% from each one. So this is a good idea too. Okay, and here, as you can see, people are doing their gigs. Pretty much, this guy, I will promote your link on my 260,000 monthly view Pinterest. So this guy probably have a famous account on Pinterest, and he's offering you to promote stuff on his channel or blog or whatever. And this is the same thing with the other people. So like we said, we want to earn money. We just gonna go ahead to surveys and offers and click browse surveys and offers. Okay, and we're just gonna click on view all offers. So here you got the category. For example, you're looking for CPA, which is click on ads, right? You got credit card, we don't want to do that. We got the daily surveys, deposit free mobile apps. So basically, downloading mobile apps makes you money. Just sign ups, like I said earlier, just sign up to a random website and earn money. Okay, and here you got the sign up, surveys. Okay, so what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna choose, for example, sign ups. I just want to sign up to a website and then earn money. And as you can see, hold on, sign up. Okay, so pretty much if you sign up on this website right here, pretty much makes unlimited money. So it depends on how much they are offering. On this website right here, you will earn $18. On this one, grab points, you will earn $2.40. On this website, $18. And on Surfshark, this is a VPN, just literally open an account on this website and earn $9. I mean, how easy is that, guys? I'm literally just showing you how to earn money online, and this is very legit. You guys can try it. You will lose nothing. Okay, here you can choose mobile apps as well. Just download this app and like get 5 cents. I mean, cool. And here you can choose the devices. I mean, it's better to just go ahead and click on general, right? And then just open these accounts and earn this money too. At the end of the day, let's just say you earn some money and then you want to withdraw your money. So what do you have to do? It's really easy. You're just gonna go ahead to wallet right here, and then withdrawals are processed within 10 business days of placing a request. Excuse me. Here you're gonna click on request withdrawal, and then as you can see, you can withdraw your money with RTM, Litecoin, Pioneer, and this crypto that I don't know. Okay, so this is pretty much everything about the website. I know I didn't explain, more and more about this website. If you guys want me to, make sure to drop a comment, like this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.